Afghanistan often describes itself as the heart of Asia, but as a landlocked country, its economy and trade depend heavily on access through neighboring states. Without a seaport, limited rail links, and weak infrastructure, the most practical trade route to global markets continues to run through Pakistan. The current Afghan government states it can rely on alternative routes, but examining trade options closely reveals significant challenges. To the north, countries like Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, and Turkmenistan already produce similar goods, limiting demand for Afghan products and increasing transport costs. Iran is another route, but international sanctions make access to Chabahar port inconsistent, leading to slower and more expensive logistics. Shipments via Karachi take around 25 days, while through Iran, they can take 45 to 60 days, adding thousands of dollars per container. This is critical as over 80% of Afghanistan's exports are perishable items, making long transit delays a high risk for spoilage and uncompetitive pricing. Air trade is an option, but it is 5 to 6 times more expensive than land and sea routes, making it impractical for most goods. In reality, Pakistan remains the primary corridor for Afghanistan's external trade, with nearly all major imports and exports relying on access through Karachi and Gwadar. Pakistan also faces economic challenges from informal cross-border movement and transit-related leakages, affecting revenue and increasing security costs. When viewed through logistics and economics, the idea of independent alternative trade routes for Afghanistan is more of a political statement than a practical plan. For now, Afghanistan's trade flow continues to rely mainly on the established routes through Pakistan.